Hey guys, welcome back. Lots of you have been asking questions about backing up data on OnePlus devices. In this video, we'll take a look on how to back up and restore your data on OnePlus devices. So without further ado, let's get started. OnePlus have an awesome tool which can help you back up and restore your data at any time with or without PC. We have a dedicated application called Oneplus Switch which can help you backing up your data and restore at any time. This feature has also been integrated inside system settings, which can be found by going to settings, utilities, and here we have an option of Oneplus Switch. So first what we'll do, we'll back up our data using this application, then I'll perform a factory reset and I'll show you how to restore it. And if you are switching between different phones, still you can use this application to transfer your data. Now talking about the backup, you need to open OnePlus Switch application, tap on backup and restore, and here you get options of new backup and restore backup. Tapping on new backup, here you can find options like communication, multimedia and applications. And your installed applications can be found here inside the application section, and from here you can select or unselect the applications which you don't want to back up or you want to back up. So right now you can see I have selected all the applications. Let's go back. System settings have also been selected, and now you just need to tap on backup now. Backup can take more time depending on your data which you are backing up. So now backup has been completed. Let's tap on done, and your backup folder will be available inside the internal storage. You can check that out by going inside file manager, tapping on storage, internal storage. Folder will be named as OP backup, which means OnePlus backup, and here you can see one other subfolder which is called as mobile backup, where you have applications, data and OnePlus launcher. Now connect your device to PC, take a copy of this file which is OP backup. You can copy this and place it on your PC. If you don't have PC, you can use OTG cable and then copy it to any pen drive or hard disk. So let's copy this file and place it on my PC. So now I have successfully copied that file and placed it on my PC, and now I'll show you how to restore that file. So I'll see you guys once I'm done with factory reset. So we are done with factory reset, and you can see we don't have any applications installed now. And now we'll restore the same data which we took backup. What you have to do is you need to copy that same file which was OP backup inside the internal storage. Do not place it inside any of these folders. Keep it in the main page of internal storage. So here you can see we have a file which is called as OP backup. Now you need to go to settings, system, utilities, OnePlus Switch. Agree to the statement, tap on backup and restore. Here you will see an option of restore backup. Tap on this, allow all the permissions, and here we have a backup file. It will again ask you for permissions, allow, and here you can see we have all the options which we made a backup, including applications. So let's restore everything now. Tapping on restore. And here we are done with our restoring process, and you can see I have my wallpaper available which we recently backed up. Inside gallery I have all my screen recorders and other photos along with all the applications which we backed up. So guys, this is the simplest way by which you can back up and restore your data on any OnePlus device. So guys, that's it in today's video. If you have any kind of questions, do let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.